In this video, I am building the ultimate Apple AirPods Pro hairdryer. Hello, it's Alistair here again. I think we've all seen the memes showing Apple AirPods resembling hairdryers. They kind of do look similar. Today, we are going to build a 3D printed, LiPo and electric ducted fan powered Apple AirPods Pro hairdryer that actually works. I am really happy with the finish of the AirPods Pro. The design is great, so check out the link in the description if you want to have a look at it yourself. But one thing I have found is it's not designed to be a hairdryer, so there's a fair bit of stuff crammed in there that it's not designed to house. So there were a few issues. It kind of blows and it kind of sucks. So let's have a look at how it actually performs. Safety glasses. I haven't got a lot of hair, but it makes probably more noise than it moves air. So yeah. Looks really cool, sounds cool, but not the best if you actually want to dry some hair. So, next, I'm going to make a new and improved model, the AirPods Pro 2. The Apple AirPods 2 is a success. It's a great improvement over the first model, and that's largely because it has a larger intake area with no obstruction and also a longer draft tube after the fan. Let's have a look at it in action. It really gets moving, and I'm glad I've got these glasses on because you'd probably have tears streaming at your eyes if you were doing this without glasses. Well, that was a fun project. I really enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did making it. And if you want any more information on anything you've seen, check out the description below for more details. Thanks for watching.